going back to my tables here, again I'll use the same function SUMIF. I'll select the sum ring, again this will be F column, and now since I'm doing this distribution by type of leaf, this is my type of leaf. Sorry, my bad. And then I'll select the criterion here. Once I close, yeah, see, Google Sheets will automatically fill the entire data. Now I have month-wise distribution of leaves, and then I have type of leaves by distribution of leaves as well. Again, I'll centrally realign it, make it look much more professional. Yeah. So the third table that I want to create right now is I want a complex distribution wherein in the vertical column I have the month information, and in the horizontal rows I have type of leaves distribution, whether it is paid leave, on-demand leave, sick leave, or unpaid leave. Again, I will use the same SUMIF function. I'll go select my row, I'll select my column, my bad, and yeah. So the criterion range, the first criterion range is month. So the first criterion range is month. The month I've selected. The second criteria that I want to do is type of leaf. And the type of leaf that I want to use here is leaf. So I'll close this formula, enter it. I have my number here. But when you drag it down, this will not work for us. Do you know why? Because we have not fixed our type of leaves information here. So if you look at this is moving from this is C19. Yeah, this should be C19, but here it should be D17. Instead of it has become D18. So we need to first fix it. We need to fix this. We need to fix the rows information here, the criteria information here, that it always fixes PL. When you drag it down, it will move the cells. We don't want that to happen. We want to fix the cells here. So what I'll do, I'll go back here. I'll put a $sign here. See, now it has automatically filled the column. Because I have frozen this D17. This will always use the criteria as PL. But when you do it horizontally, again this will not work, because this one, the January value or the month value is shifting from cell C18 to C19. Again, what do we need to do? We need to fix the cell here. I'll go back and I'll add a $value here, and then I'll drag it. Oh, back. Okay. So what I've missed here, guys, do you know? Even my ranges are moving, so I need to fix my ranges as well. I'll go back. I'll select everything here. Shift F4. I'll select everything here and do function F4, my bad. And now if I drag it, again, it's not working. Give me a moment. Okay, so I missed, fixing this particular piece. Yeah, see, even me, after spending so much time of Excel and so many years on Excel and Google Sheet, yet I am prone to making mistakes here. Why? Because people tend to confuse wherein you need to put the $sign, which rows do you need to fix, and this is exactly the problem that you're gonna face when you're working on large data set and you want to try and do manual calculations here. So what I can do alternatively, if you still want to go ahead with the manual approach, you can use ChatGPT. You can ask it to create formulas for you, even for this particular table. I think I've written it somewhere. Yeah, see, I've mentioned it here. Help me build a table where row header has month information. It will exactly tell me the formula that I can use. See, this is very similar to the formula that I was using. It will help me build it. But again, manual calculations are not preferred. It usually tends to go into error. And this is the reason why pivot tables were built in first place. Whenever we are working on large data set, we can directly fetch the aggregated view using the function of pivot tables.